Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're doing some exercises on date functions. So if you haven't watched the video on date functions, either look in the description on YouTube or here in the lesson link to look at that video, which will be helpful if you're doing these exercises. So let's just go right into the exercises. So first one, in answer, that just means this column answer here. Use calculations to return the month number of the order date below. So here's the order date. There's only one row. So I'll give you a second to think about how you would do that. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to. All right, I'm back, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you can't figure it out for some reason. So first we do equals to show Excel that we're indeed putting in a function. And then we're going to use this month function. And all we have to do is select the cell with the date that we're interested in, close the parenthesis, hit enter, and you can see it's going to return this number here. We can reformat that to a whole number with no decimal points. But 11 means that this is November, so it's just pulling the month number from this date. All right, so the second one. So in answer, use calculation to return the day of the week, i.e. Monday of the order date below. So what day is this we want to figure out? So how would we do that? I'll give you a second to think about that. Pause the video if you need to, and then I'll come back and show you guys how to do it. All right, so I'm back. So hopefully you got the correct answer, but if you didn't, here's how you do it. So equals again, we're going to put in text this time. Text, and we're going to select the value that we're interested in, which is this order date cell, so C14, and comma, and then the format we need, so it's a code, so we're going to put DDD, 4 Ds, quad Ds, and then make sure that is in these quotation marks, and close a parenthesis, and we get Wednesday. So this was apparently a Wednesday in 2017. Now if we just wanted the WED, the abbreviation, we take off one of these D's, gives you Wednesday, WED, or TUE if it's Tuesday, or MON if it's Monday, etc. Now if we take off another D, then it gives you a 2-character number for what day it is. You can see it's the 8th here, just shows that. And if you have just one D, it'll give you 1 character if it's able to just do 1 character. If it's not like 11 or 12 or something, 21 that has 2 characters. But let's just go back to quad Ds, which will give us the correct answer. All right, so and then in answer we use the calculation to return the number of work days, not including holidays, between the order date and today. So this order date and today, which today is 5/15/2019 for me, might be different when you're entering this, so you may not get the same answer in here. So I'll give you guys a second to think about that. Go ahead and pause the video, and then I'll come back and show you how to do it. All right, I'm back, so let's go ahead and go through this. First thing I have to put in equal to show Excel this is a function, and then I'm going to use the function network days, and I'm going to put in a start date. So I'm going to select this cell here, C14, that has the order date. I'm going to press comma. So what is the end date? End date I'm going to use is the function today, which will give me today's date. And then optionally you can put in a table that has the holidays, so it will exclude those days from the calculation because those are not generally work days. So, but we're not going to use a holiday table for this selection, so I'm just going to close that off. And it's going to say, so 396 work days between this date and what is May 15th, 2019. And that is the correct answer. So this answer may be different for you, but it should still show correct if you've done it correctly. All right, hope you guys are able to follow along with that, and you join me for future videos. Thank you very much.